Imagine walking into a friend's home and instantly feeling, wow, the floors shine, the air smells fresh, and every corner feels like it's straight out of a lifestyle magazine. You wonder, how do they do it? Are they cleaning 24/7? Or do they know something we don't? Today, I'll reveal 7 little-known habits of people with sparkling clean homes. Habits so simple that once you learn them, you'll never see your house the same way again. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of these life-changing tricks. The truth about clean freaks. Here's the thing, people with spotless homes aren't scrubbing all day. They simply follow small habits, almost without thinking, that prevent mess from ever piling up. And once you know their secrets, you'll realize anyone, yes, even you, can maintain a sparkling space without exhausting yourself. Habit number 1, the one-touch rule. Here's a rule that changes everything. Touch things only once. If you pick up your coat, hang it immediately. If you bring in groceries, put them straight in the pantry. No more, I'll deal with it later. Because later turns into piles, and piles turn into chaos. The one-touch rule keeps surfaces clear, and your home instantly neater without extra effort. Habit number 2, small daily sweeps. People with tidy homes don't wait for the weekend to clean. Instead, they do tiny sweeps daily, 5 minutes to wipe counters, a quick vacuum in the high-traffic area, or picking up stray socks before bed. These micro-cleaning sessions prevent dirt from ever taking over. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's easier to do it a little each day than fix a big mess later. Habit number 3, clear surfaces, clear mind. Ever noticed how clutter attracts more clutter? That's why spotless homes often have clear, open surfaces. Dining tables without piles of paper, kitchen counters without appliances everywhere. It's not about having less. It's about what you leave visible. People with sparkling homes carefully curate what stays out, and everything else has a place. This one habit creates an illusion of cleanliness even before you start scrubbing. Habit number 4, the night reset. This is powerful. Every night before bed, spend 10 minutes resetting your home. Fluff the couch pillows, load the dishwasher, put remotes back in place. Why? Because waking up to a neat home sets the tone for your entire day. Imagine starting your morning with calm instead of clutter. That's exactly what these people do without fail. Habit number 5, shoes stay at the door. One hidden habit of clean homes, no outside shoes inside. Dirt, dust, bacteria, all of it sneaks in through footwear. By leaving shoes at the door and switching to house slippers or socks, they cut down cleaning time dramatically. It's simple, but the difference in floor cleanliness is night and day. Habit number 6, smart storage everywhere. It's not just cleaning, it's organizing. People with spotless homes make storage effortless. Baskets for mail, hooks for bags, labeled containers in the pantry. Why? Because when everything has a place, it takes seconds to put it away. No more junk drawers overflowing. No more mystery piles. Order creates ease, and ease creates cleanliness. Habit number 7, they declutter constantly. Finally, here's the secret glue holding it all together. They don't hold on to things they don't need. Every month, they quietly donate old clothes, toss expired items, and recycle unnecessary paper. Less stuff means less to clean, less to manage, and less to stress about. Decluttering isn't a once-a-year spring ritual. It's a constant, ongoing habit. Why these habits work? Notice something? None of these habits take hours. They're small, almost invisible steps, but together, they create a powerful system. Clean homes don't happen by chance. They're the result of these consistent little actions, stacked over time. And the best part, you can start today with just one habit. Bonus tip, the guest test. Here's a fun one. People with sparkling homes often ask themselves, if someone walked in right now, would I feel embarrassed? This guest test motivates quick tidying and keeps their home always ready for surprise visits. It's not about perfection. It's about being proud of your space at any moment. Clean home, clear life. So now you know the 7 little-known habits that keep homes sparkling. The one-touch rule, daily sweeps, clear surfaces, nightly resets, shoes at the door, smart storage, and constant decluttering. These aren't just cleaning tricks, they're lifestyle choices. Choices that make your home lighter, your mind calmer, and your life easier. So, which habit are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon, because more secrets for a cleaner, happier home are on the way. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be exhausting, it just has to be smart. And once you start, you'll realize a sparkling home is really just a set of tiny habits done right.